Hello, food lovers. I made ice cream using milk, whipping cream, and condensed milk. Stay with me as I gist you how this thing came out. Well, we're having our Children's Day in my church, and then we decided to make ice cream for those children so that they will be happy as we celebrate them. And guess what? Your fine girl have to improvise and make a way to make this yummy ice cream for these children. So I'm going to tell you what I used. I used the whipping cream, I used the normal cream, milk, and I also used condensed milk to make this ice cream, and it really came out yummy. Well, I mixed them together. You know, when you have kids, they want the best for you, and also when you have limited funds or limited resources, you want to make use of what you have. So we didn't have much with us as the children teacher, and then we suggested we should make ice cream by ourselves, and then I was able to come up with how to make this ice cream, and it was beautiful. The children enjoyed it, and the teachers also enjoyed it. So my guys, will you be trying this sumptuous ice cream with me at home? Anyway, when I finished making this ice cream, everybody in church loved it, including the children. Adults came out and was asking, "We make this ice cream, we make this ice cream." Guess what? And I told them I did. Just look at the ice cream now. I refrigerated it for 8 hours, and it came out really nice. And my amazing children enjoyed themselves during this period. Everybody is asking me, when will you make ice cream again? Well, just sit back. I will tell you when next I'll make ice cream. So that is my little story on our Children's Day, how it ended. See you. Bye.